Imagine standing on a mountaintop, surrounded by a breathtaking panorama that you wish you could share with others exactly as you're seeing it. Traditional cameras can't quite do the moment justice, but 360-degree cameras can. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of 360 cameras, where technology meets creativity and every direction is part of the story. Let's explore some of the best options available in 2024. Number 5. Insta360 One RS, the modular marvel. Finally, consider a day of spontaneous exploration. 1 minute you're in a bustling market, the next, hiking a quiet trail. You need a camera that can adapt as quickly as you do. The Insta360 One RS might just be that camera. The One RS takes modular design to the next level, allowing you to customize and upgrade your camera on the fly. Whether you need to swap out lenses or boost its performance with additional modules, this camera adapts to your creative needs. Expect high-resolution 360-degree content, smooth stabilization, and seamless smartphone integration for instant sharing. And with its rugged design, the One RS is ready for any environment, making it the perfect companion for all your adventures. Number 4. Ricoh Theta X, mastering the details. Picture this, a quiet beach at sunset. You want to capture not just the view, but the feel of the moment, the gentle waves, the fading light. The Ricoh Theta X is designed for such moments, combining advanced technology with an elegant, easy-to-use interface. With enhanced sensors and a refined lens system, the Theta X offers unparalleled image clarity and rich color reproduction. Its ability to stitch images seamlessly creates an immersive experience that truly captures the essence of the scene. And it's not just about beautiful photos. The Theta X excels at shooting 4K video, and its gyroscopic stabilization ensures that your footage remains steady, even in dynamic situations. Plus, with water and dust resistance, this camera is ready for any adventure you throw at it. Number 3. Insta360 X3, a revolution in your pocket. Imagine you're at a bustling street festival with vibrant colors and dynamic scenes all around. You want to capture it all: the energy, the movement, the life. The Insta360 X3 is built for moments like these. This camera is not just about capturing images, it's about creating experiences. With advanced stabilization technology and powerful AI, the X3 ensures that every shot is smooth and every subject is perfectly framed, even in the most chaotic environments. Its sleek design makes it easy to carry, while its user-friendly interface ensures that you can start creating without a steep learning curve. And when it's time to share your adventures, the X3's seamless smartphone integration lets you upload your 360-degree masterpieces instantly. Whether you're exploring new cities or capturing dynamic action scenes, the Insta360 X3 is your go-to device for high-resolution, immersive content creation. Number 2. Ricoh Theta Z1, the professional's choice. Now, let's shift gears. Imagine you're at a dimly lit jazz club, where the mood is set by the music and the soft glow of candles. You want to capture the scene, the ambiance, the energy without losing any detail to the darkness. Enter the Ricoh Theta Z1. The Theta Z1 stands out in the 360 camera market with its dual 1-inch sensors, offering exceptional low-light performance. This camera is a dream for photographers who crave control, with manual settings that allow you to fine-tune aperture, shutter speed, and ISO. And for those who want even more creative freedom, the Z1 supports RAW file capture, providing unmatched flexibility in post-production. What's more, the Theta Z1 isn't just about stills. It also shoots stunning 4K video, making it a versatile tool for both photo and video enthusiasts. And with seamless smartphone integration, controlling the camera remotely and sharing your creations has never been easier. Number 1. GoPro MaxT, your all-terrain companion. Picture this. You're hiking through a dense forest, the light filtering through the leaves, and you want to capture the entire experience, every rustle, every beam of light. That's where the GoPro MaxT comes into play. This isn't just a camera. It's a multi-tool for content creators who want to capture the world in its entirety. With dual fisheye lenses, the GoPro MaxT delivers stunning 360-degree footage at up to 5.6 resolution. But what sets it apart? Flexibility. Whether you're capturing immersive spherical content or traditional wide-angle footage, the Max has you covered. And it's not just about the visuals. Max Hypersmooth Stabilization ensures that your footage stays smooth, even when the trail gets rough. And let's not forget the sound. The Max's 6 built-in microphones capture 360-degree audio, making sure your viewers hear every crackling branch and distant bird call as if they were right there with you. The GoPro Max is tough, waterproof, and comes with an intuitive touchscreen display, making it perfect for any adventure. Whether you're diving into the ocean or scaling a mountain, this camera won't let you down.